Old England, she has great warriors, great princes, and poets great. But the blacksmith is not to be quite forgot in the history of the state. He is rich in the best of all metals, yet silver he lacks, and gold. And he pays his due, and his heart is true, though he blows both hot and cold. The boldest is he of incendiaries that ever the wide world saw, and a forger as rank as robbed the bank, though he never doth break the law. He hath shoes that are worn by strangers, yet he laugheth and maketh more, and a share concealed in the poor man's field, yet it adds to the poor man's store. Then hurrah for the iron blacksmith, and hurrah for his iron crew, and whenever we go where his forges glow, we'll see what a man can do.